In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set default channels for all your members or for new members that you'll add on Slack Workspace. So if you like to go ahead and automatically add new members to specific channels, then the best thing you need to do is to set those channels as default for all new members. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign into your Slack Workspace. And once you are here, go ahead and click on your Slack Workspace name above here. And down below, you'll see Tools and Settings. Now, under it, go down to Settings, and under Settings, choose Workspace Settings. Now, this will go ahead and open a new tab, and go ahead and look for this sidebar. And under this, go under Administration and choose Settings and Permissions. Now, from here, choose the first option, Settings, and scroll down until you see Default Channels. Now, under this, you can choose the channels new members will automatically be added to. To do this, go ahead and click on Expand, and you can see we have channels here. Now, go ahead and add more channels starting with a hashtag here, and the channels will be added automatically. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on this drop down, and this will highlight all the channels that you have in Slack. So if you want to choose one, you can just click on it and click on Save, and that will be added automatically. However, you have to note that these and these are two different options. We are told that this is channel where they start in when they first join your workspace. So this is where they start first. And for this, we are told choose the channels new members will automatically be added to. So go ahead and add on your list and then save the changes. Once you're done, now you can close this. So that's how you can set default channels on your Slack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.